Good evening, welcome. My name is Sue Booth. I'm here from Monda in Spain. And tonight we're going to bring you the business opportunity. So thank you for spending next 35, 40 minutes with us. And Nigel and I are going to be doing this presentation between us. And first of all, I'm going to let Nigel take over and start the presentation. So thank you very much for joining us today, and look forward to meeting you in person if you're new on here. Thank you.
Hi everybody, my name's Nigel Booth. As Sue said, tonight we're covering a bit about the business opportunity. I'm going to cover a little bit about the first part, so I'm going to share screen. Am I sharing screen?
Yeah. Good.
Okay. Slight ignorance on my part in relation to the way the technology works. However, one of the things we
hang on. Have you shared the screen? You didn't share it. Bear with me a second. He probably hasn't shared it. Oh. Okay. Right. Let's just get this screen shared. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, that should be shared with you now. Hopefully that's a bit better.
Okay, so one of the things that we talk about a lot in this industry that we're in is actually helping people to set themselves free, essentially free from the drudgery of everyday life. That kind of people get trapped into this issue of, you know, earning from paycheck to paycheck, and they do so because they've built their lifestyle in order to meet the income they've got. And that's as difficult to get out of as it is to create something entirely different in your lives. And what so many people seek to do is to actually increase their income through some part-time effort. And that's actually part of what we do, because this industry that we're in, that Sue and I have been in now for 25 plus years, and I'll come on to in a bit more detail in a minute, essentially attracted us because it gave us a chance to do something alongside what we did to pay the bills, but actually to help us to build a fortune alongside it. And that will, I hope, become clear as we go through tonight's presentation. So just do a little bit of imagination here. Just in your mind, just imagine this life, a life without limitations. I know everybody's done this. You know, you lie in the bath, you're nice and warm and cozy, and you're just dreaming about what could be, and you've won the lottery, and it's this weekend's rollover of 100 million and you're spending it. I know, I've done it, everybody does it. It's essentially a life without limitations. Well, what would it look like for you? This is a personal question, is what would it actually look like for you? Would you be where you live now? Would you be in the same house, the same car? Would your choices be different? Well, the answer to those is always yes, they would be different, because, you know, unlimited or much more income gives you the chance to make choices that are different to the ones you have. And that's actually what we're talking about here, is making creating a way of having different choices. So imagine taking that, instead of just buying a lottery ticket, excuse me, but having an opportunity that gives you the options to do pretty much what you like in your life, because you've got enough of an income to do that. So no limits, no barriers, no borders, just the opportunity to turn your life into something you have created and imagined. Because the world really is your oyster. This is a world of opportunity. What you've got to do, what we all have to do first is recognize there is opportunity, and second is go out and grasp it. So, excuse me again, Sue and I have been in this business, as I mentioned earlier, for 25 years. We've been doing this for such a long time now. We kind of know how to do it. We also know how to get it wrong. And hopefully those lessons we translate into teaching for you guys, so you don't. Excuse me, trying to take the frog out of my throat. So we do all kinds of things to support the people that become involved in our organization, from training calls to webinars like this one, to prospecting calls, personal development, coaching and mentoring. Our business is about helping people to become as successful as they want to be. In turn, that gives us the opportunity to become as successful as we want to be, because helping others achieve what they want helps us achieve what we want. Excuse me. Something's really got to me. So we help on the business development side of things in terms of helping you guys to achieve what you want. And Jeunesse provides the product and the vehicle by which we actually end up getting paid. They have an exceptional back office system. It's one of the things that really attracted me to them as a company. Huge social media innovation and award-winning technology. I'm sorry, I'm going to have to ask Sue to carry on with this because I'm going to be coughing. Excuse me.
That's okay, Nigel. Hopefully I won't do the same. We've both been getting over a virus, and obviously it's coming out tonight, and just extra talking. So as Nigel said, you know, Jeunesse provides an exceptional back office support, something that we were lacking in our previous company. And I think it makes it very obvious when you see just how easy it is to work the back office, to take advantage of all the things that they have available. So their whole basis is that they're very social media innovative, and it's really just off the planet how quick they are to pick up on things. So whether it's Twitter, Instagram, all the different you know, kind of opportunities that you have to get your message out to them, we have award-winning technology. And that technology not only goes from our product innovation to the technology as far as our innovation on the internet and our media. It's just exceptional. So, you know, we have everything there. So you just have to really, you know, pick it up and run with it. You can't, in the back office, you can't delete anything. So you don't have to panic about that. You just have to play away. And Nigel thinks he's better now, so he's going to come back and take over. So bear with me.
It's Pinky and Perky here. I'm not quite sure which one's Perky. Jeunesse is the vehicle by which we make money and by which we actually organize the product. And that's actually the thing that makes and delivers the opportunity for us in terms of the income potential. So let's just talk about Jeunesse a bit. And we're going to cover tonight the company background, the product, the way we get paid, which of course is important, but also the potential and how you can take advantage of it. Because ultimately this is, again, about you and your choices. Do you choose to align yourself with someone like Jeunesse in order to start to create the opportunity that you think you should have in your life? So let's talk a bit about Jeunesse itself and the background. Founders of the company, Wendy Lewis and Randy Ray. They're currently the #1 company in momentum. What that simply means is they're growing faster than anybody else right now, have hit industry records in the last 6 years, have gone from 0 to $1 billion last year. Something is getting to me in this place. Sorry.
Okay, it's me again. So perhaps it's I don't know why. So it's 5.5 years old. That's now 6 years old. We are a global business, as it says here. We are in over 130 countries. Last year we did 1.1 billion by our 6th birthday. That's astonishing for a company that is so young. And it really takes the biscuit when you just see other companies that have taken years and years to get to $1 billion. So this is just motoring so quickly, and you couldn't have picked a better company to be with at a better time. As I say, I mean, this slide goes out of date constantly. I'm going to have to update it yet again. So we're in we ship to around about 121, 22 countries, but we're available for, some of them are not for retail, in over 130 in total. But we also have in over 37 different country offices, and those country offices are not in the obvious places that you expect to have a large corporate office. These are in areas that really need to have extra support. So Costa Rica and Puerto Rico, smaller countries that have kind of a more difficult infrastructure, if you like. So they're trying to support the whole system by producing, to having an office in these sort of countries. So maybe that some of you would be able to pick something up in that country from that office. So it's going to be going worldwide. So again, it's nice to know that you can. It's growing daily. It's growing in places that normally business doesn't thrive so well. So it's really second to none as far as that's concerned. Our whole system is based around the youth enhancement system. And this really, really piqued my interest because, you know, as much as you can have great products, you need to know that they work and they need to be doing the right job at the right time. And I think nowadays, I mean, Nigel and I are both 61, coming up to 62, and we don't really want to get that much older. We're going to, you know, kind of analog wise, we're going to get older, but biologically, we want to get younger. And so it's about putting that rejuvenation in process. And you can do that with our products. They're all fundamentally formed and reformulated around this whole rejuvenation system. So whether it's internally or externally, you can actually benefit yourself by taking these products. I'll just quickly go through. We've got Reserve that helps with the defense. That's a fantastic antioxidant. Restoring with Finity, and Finity is a world-beating product that's better than anything else there on the market I've ever seen. And then we're balancing our system out and changing the ratio of fat and lean body, lean muscle with Zen. And this is really starting to have a huge impact around an 8-week program, which is astonishing. And then we have enhancing with AM and PM. So once you've actually created that balance and restoration, you need to maintain it. And so AM, PM does that. And what about diminishing? You know, diminishing fine lines and wrinkles is easily done with Instantly Ageless. And if you haven't seen it yet, get someone to give you a demonstration because it is astonishing when you do see it. That's a temporary product though. And then we have a rejuvenation skincare line called Luminesse. And this product really is the one that grabbed me and said, oh my goodness, this is such an incredible range and I need to tell people about it. So it's about redefining youth, and you can do that with our products. Nathan Newman is on our medical advisory board, and it was Nathan who actually introduced Luminesse line to Randy and Wendy. Randy had been to visit him for stem cell treatment for his knee because he'd had a damaged knee from being in a veteran from the war. And he really was wanting to replace the collagen within his knee. And he's done that with stem cell technology that was formulated by Nathan Newman. And this man is quite astonishing. He's created a whole skincare line around it. And but also, you know, he does a lot of cosmetology work as well. He's a real expert in his field. The Luminesse line is the skincare that I really fell in love with. I had been a user of another range of products and was quite happy with those. But this, when someone sent me the rejuvenation serum, I was blown away with the difference in my skin in just a few days. So much so that Nigel was the one who recognized that my skin had changed in its luminosity and just really the way my skin looked. He said it looked more alive. So they developed this, and as you can see from the left, we've got a night repair cream, the Luminesse serum, a youth restoring cleanser, essential body renewal, ultimate lifting mask, and the daily moisturizing complex. Now that's pretty good for a range of skincare, but more importantly, they work. And I think, you know, any testimony to that is, you know, that they actually work and do what they say on the tin, if you like. It gives credence and really gives, you know, kind of great product confidence. That's what I was thinking, confidence that the products actually work. And look at some of the things that we've had. We've had clinical results, clinical trials done in a third-party laboratory study, and their results were absolutely, I think, amazing. 100% of the people who actually recommended or tried the products said that they would recommend them to family and friends. 87% of them felt that their skin looked younger, and another 87% 87% felt an improvement in the skin smoothness and luminosity. And that's what I noticed immediately. And 74% felt an improvement in the skin's firmness. And I too felt that very quickly, that my skin had definitely firmed. And again, it's testimonies are, there's thousands and thousands of them. These before and after photographs aren't doctored, they are just genuine people so excited at seeing a difference in their skin. The lady on the left-hand side, where you can see her eye, the first picture, and I don't know how clearly you can see that, but these are, you know, available for you to look at online as well. The first picture was taken before she started using the Luminesse serum, and the second picture was taken 5 days after. 5 days, and look at the difference in the wrinkles, the depth of the wrinkles. All the fine lines have actually just pulled out. And the woman on the right is a young woman of 24. She's probably a bit older than that now, and she's obviously got a real problem with like a systemic acne. And this acne can be a real continuation problem, you know, for people into, you know, kind of later 20s. And she noticed within just literally 24 days that was the skin on the left when she started, and 24 days later she was, you know, reduced it dramatically. So yeah, they shout about it because they're really excited about how it works on their skin. And you've only got to Google before and after Luminesse photos on the internet, and thousands upon thousands will come up. So go ahead and have a look at them all, because they are just astonishing, and people love shouting about it when things work. And I think there's so many doctored pictures on the internet for, you know, different products that are around. They don't need to have these photographs doctored. They're just thrilled with the results. And then we come to Instantly Ageless. Instantly Ageless is that product that has taken the company and launched it into the universe, really, because it's we were doing very well, but this has just excelled. It's just accelerated so much the growth. And the reason being, it's a fabulous door opener. You get a box of these in 25 vials in a box. I'm starting to cough now. And 25 vials in a box, or alternatively, you can, if you're in the States, then you'll get a sachets of 50. So exactly the same amount of product, but the product is just packaged in a slightly different way. So in Europe, we have this, the vials. In US and Canada, they have the sachets. It lasts for 8 to 10 hours, depending on your skin. But it's more importantly, as I say, it's a door opener. And just have a look and see if I'm hoping this is going to work today. What you want to do is twist off the top. You want to squirt out a very small amount. Flip the lid over and refill it. So you can use this vial 2 or 3 more times. Is have a very, very thin layer. I'm just having a very thin layer on her skin. But you want to leave it about 10 or 15% damp on the skin. Do not rub it all the way in, because the product works as it's drying, so you want it to allow it to do this. Yeah, I'm going to start a timer. I can't see this. You haven't seen anything yet. You can use Instantly Ageless before or after your makeup. First of all, you want to do all your preventative maintenance and all the good stuff. What do you think? What do you think? Wow, it still amazes me that they get such a great result in such a short amount of time, which is brilliant. Okay, the next person, the next product person. The next product we're talking about is Reserve, and this is a blend of antioxidant fruits. And antioxidants are so necessary in our lives for a daily basis. We're constantly being bombarded, you know, by free radicals, and you need to kick the free radicals into touch. You need to sort them out, and this actually kind of helps it dramatically. Take it on a daily basis in a gel formulation. So it's so simple to take, even children can take it. And, you know, for elderly people, it's essential that they have something that's simple to take. And this product is so, so good. It tastes delicious. I like it from the fridge. Absolutely tastes delicious. And it keeps me going all day long, which is great. You can take one or two, depending on what you are trying to address. It's an anti-inflammatory. It's just astonishing. So it's fantastic for people who've got fibromyalgia, anything like that, but not saying to treat anything, but it's just try it and see if it works for you. I am definitely coughing as well. AM/PM. This is part of the product range that actually helps maintain good cellular health. And it's a blend of vitamins, and it's something like 70 odd different ingredients, which have been formulated by a gentleman called Dr. G.M. Papa. And he was nominated as a Nobel Prize. He didn't win it, but he was nominated for it. And in my view, that's good enough to be kind of even recognized as far as that. But it's just an astonishing supplement to be able to take on a daily basis. Obviously, you take the AM in the morning, and this really kind of gets your system going, helps you gives you clarity of mind, improves your you know, just how you feel during the day, keeps you active and just full of energy. It's brilliant. And then PM, you obviously take at night. Do you know there's something like 87% in the USA alone that actually have problems sleeping, so much so that they have to take sleeping tablets. But why would you take sleeping tablets? Because that really just dulls your whole body down and puts you into a forced sleep. This gives you a natural effect, and I promise you, I can't believe it works so well. Nigel has always had problems sleeping, not problems, but you know, he doesn't sleep a huge amount. If he takes this on an evening at a night time, around about 9-10 o'clock, he sleeps for a good 8 hours. Now, he normally would sleep between 4.5, 5, 6 hours, depending on time of year. But I mean, 8 hours straight out, and he sleeps really, really well. So if you know anyone like that who needs some good night's sleep, this is a perfect product for them. Zen Body. Zen Body is the one that was launched in Paris in October. And this product is really still developing, if you like. We have at the moment within Europe 3 products. We've got Fit, Shape, and Pro. And the Fit is an enzyme, and it's amino acid and enzymes together. So it's designed to actually help promote good lean muscle building within your system. Shape is designed to balance out your blood sugars and also help you metabolize things in the right way. And then Zen Pro is designed as either a meal supplement, so you can either take it as instead of a meal. If it's mixed with water, you can put fruit in it if you wish, or you can have it after exercise drink as well. And it's an astonishingly good one. It is so different from any others because so many of them out there are very sweet. This isn't sweet. It works brilliantly, keeps you, satisfied. For a good, 4 or 5 hours. It's brilliant. Now we've got 2 new products that have just been launched at LEAD in Las Vegas that were launched in March, and that's called Fuse and Prime. Couldn't remember the other one. Prime is for detoxing, so that's in the initial stage when you start into the program, and it's designed to really help you get the best out of the whole program. And the program is based around an 8-week system. So it works very cleverly, And some of the results that we're getting already are amazing. I can't even tell you how many pounds were lost, but I promise you, when you see the pictures, when they come on the website, I promise you, they are astonishing. And people have lost 40, 50 pounds. And more importantly, they've got fitter. And this is what is so good about the whole range. Fuse is another protein drink, but it's supposed to give you more satisfaction than the Pro. So whether they're going to phase one out, I have no idea as yet. But it's an exciting addition to the range, and I'm really looking forward to it coming to Europe. Okay, so we've got these products. You know, it's important that you know that you can earn money from this, and we've got 6 streams of income. Okay, you can read here, we've got retail profit, new customer acquisition bonuses, team commissions, leadership matching bonus, customer acquisition incentives, and a leadership bonus pool. I'm going to go through those individually, and all this is available in your back office. So there are different things explaining all about the how to earn money in the back office, within your back office. So you really need to check this out once you've actually got your account activated. Okay, retail profit, that's quite simple. Do you know, the great thing is that when you register, you get your website, and your website is actually a full retail website. So it means that you're going to pay wholesale, you purchase your products at wholesale, and you've got the opportunity to sell them at retail. And they've equated it here, so you pay $83.95 for a product, and you'd sell it on at $134.95. So you're making an instant 51 dollar product. I'm sorry, dollars, euros, pounds. I can't keep up with it all. $51 retail profit. If someone purchases directly from your website without you even touching it, you're going to get that $51 profit directly into your wallet. And so that means that you can either have it paid into your account, or you can use it to purchase things. So it's great to have customers who do that, and I promise you it happens quite regularly as well. We also have a fantastic preferred customer loyalty program, if you like. And Jeunesse really like to give things away. They like to reward people for using their products, which is great. So it means, as a distributor, if you get 2 preferred customers on the Luminesse serum, then not only they will send you $50, they will also send you 2 cellular rejuvenation serums. How cool is that? So it means that you can share those, you can give them away as prizes, you can retail them. So it's just putting more money back into your pocket. And even as a preferred customer, they can actually get a free product as well by introducing 2 more preferred customers. They won't get paid the $50, but they will get the one Luminesse serum, and they can do that as many times as they want. So again, it's quite exciting for customers to be able to be rewarded as well. The new customer acquisition bonus, this is something that happens when you register or enroll new members into your team. You can earn the bonus, which is called a CAB bonus, and it differentiates with different packages. So we've got the basic package, which is 100 CV points, which is just the point system that they work by, and then that would give you, as the sponsor, $25. Supreme would give you $100, Jumbo package $200, 1-year Jumbo package would give you $200, and an ambassador package would give you $250. There are also 2 new packages, and that's the ambassador variety, which would give you $300, and the ambassador 1 year, which would also give you $300. So all of a sudden, you can see if you're bringing in people with larger packages, then you're actually going to make more money far quicker, which is very exciting. And that's beside all your other, kind of points and systems anyway. So it's really quite a lucrative bonus for people. Okay, team commissions. When you register, you're going to purchase yourself, and we always recommend that at least you have something that you can either use yourself and recommend to other people. And to do that, you need to be, purchasing either basic package or nutritional package, which will give you a minimum of 100 PV. And that 100 PV will actually register you then as a distributor. So until that time, you're an associate. So once you've done your 100 PV, then you are then considered a distributor. Your job is to go and find 2 more people to do the same. So we found Joe and Anne here, and they've both done their 100 PV too. So they've purchased a package as well. And that makes you an executive once that's been done. And then Anne's going to go off, and she's going to find Rhea and Tom, who also do 100 PV. And that then, because Anne sponsored 2, that would make her an executive as well. And Rhea and Tom have both gone off to find Mary, Sue, Liz, and Roy. And that means Rhea and Tom are both now executives as well. But more importantly, what happens with all those little hundreds that you see there, so the first triangle, the green one, that would give you 300 CV. And once the computer actually finds 600 within either leg, it doesn't matter which one's got to come from one, doesn't matter which one, left or right. And once that does, they will pay you $35. Now, $35 doesn't sound a huge amount of money, but once that starts working and yours start growing, your business starts growing, you can earn up to 750 of those $35. That means that's $26,250, and that's per week. And I promise you, there are some people who actually do that on the very first day of each week. So it's yes, it's to work towards, but it's as it grows, it will increase dramatically. So very exciting, to earn those sort of figures. Okay, the leadership matching bonus. Now this really kicks in at Jade level, and it means that it's more importantly, every single person that you personally sponsor, that means that you can get a matching bonus from those people. So they may be 100 people down, they may be 50 people down. It makes no difference. As long as you've personally sponsored them and you are qualified yourself, then you're going to get the matching bonuses kicking in. So as you see here, and the idea is you move from the left side to the right side, and you start off as an associate and distributor, and we've just explained how to become an executive. And then Jade Executive is the next level, which is 4 executives within your business, personally sponsored. And then you're going to access then a further 20% on the first level. As a Pearl, which is 8 executives, you will then access first level 20%, second level 15%, and so on. It goes up and up and up. And the idea is to move from the left to the right. And if you can get someone to executive, then you can get to diamond. It's just a matter of working your way through it. So your customer acquisition incentive, again, this is great for people who are fantastic at retailing. So it's not necessary, but it's an additional bonus, which is great. This is perfect for someone who has maybe a salon or a spa, hairdressing salon, that they're going to be talking to people on a daily basis. So if that's the case, then it's nice to know that you're going to get an additional 5% for if you have 5 retail customers, and they could be retail customers, preferred customers, or wholesale customers. If you've got 10, then you get a further 10%. So again, they're giving back constantly. And this is in addition to all the other bonuses that you have as well. Diamond pool seems a long way off for a lot of us. And it's basically, as you reach diamond, once you become diamond, the company will give you 3%, which is paid to qualified diamond directors. And that's paid on a quarterly basis. And this income is from the pool is shared based on shares earned by qualified diamonds. So again, it's you'll have more information on that in the back office as well about how that's worked out. But that can be a really substantial income just by itself. And as a diamond, you're probably earning in excess of $1 million a month, $1 million a month. Sorry, $1 million dollars a year. Again, very exciting to have all these additional things. But you know, they keep giving back to us. The company keep giving back to us. They have other bonuses, lots of customer incentives, winning trips to conferences, to trainings, to all sorts of incentives. And they can include hotels, the flights, tickets for the conference, so many different things. Personal training as well. And again, we just have such a fabulous global opportunity available to us. And really, when they give back, they like it because they like to see people enjoying themselves. They want to reward the people who have worked hard in creating this income for them by rewarding them with these fabulous trips that they do. And really just, amazing. Can't wait for Emerald, because you then whiz off to somewhere exotic for about 6 days at their expense, which is perfect. So exciting times ahead, and you just got to choose to do it yourself, really. So this is the product line as it stands at the moment within Europe, and more products will come online, but I guarantee that they will be in harmony with what we already have here. So considering we only have 13, 14 products at the moment, we have the most outstanding business opportunity in front of us. And we've covered the background, the products, Jeunesse, the background of Jeunesse, how we get paid, and then really now the potential and how you can take advantage of it, because that's important that you do take advantage of it. I guess most people would sit back and actually go, well, can I do this? It's all very well me doing this presentation, and I've done many of these, and not always perfectly, but we try to do it as best as we can. But it's important that you know that we will be there to support you, because if most people feel that they can do it as long as they're shown and guided how to do so. And so whether it's your Bentley that you want, or your trip to Rome, or to Venice, or those little shoes with red soles, whatever you want, if it's just about making a decision about to doing it, really, and knowing that you will be there to support you every step of the way. So what do you do next? Okay, decision, I guess. You're going to decide whether this business, as you've seen it here, is for you. And if it is, then we welcome you with open arms. It's important for us to know that you've made the right decision. So if you haven't had a chance to try the products yet, then we ask you to get in touch with the person who you've already been introduced by, and get to try some of the products, and to make sure that this is for you, because it's an important thing to know that you're doing the business for the right reasons. You need to connect with your why you want to do this, and also to set your goal. To set your goal, everyone says, oh, I want to be diamond. Yep, we'd all like to be earning $1 million a year. That would be fantastic. But you have to go in steps. So perhaps a shorter goal, or smaller goal, is probably more sensible. But also short-term, medium-term, and long-term. Write it down, because you need to know that why you're doing it. Write it down and look at it every single day. And then you need to set about creating your list of the people that you want to work with, you want to contact, and then we help you to go and do that. So it's about sharing it with your sponsor. And if your sponsor is quite new, then please share it with us, because we'll help you in any way we can. We then go to try and connect with these people on your list to help you build a business. And it's, I mean, I've been out all day today with one of our team in Spain here, and it's just about connecting with people and showing them the opportunity, showing them the products, and sharing them with the opportunity. So it's we still do it even now. It's also about positioning yourself. Getting registered is a very simple thing. You literally get registered. In UK, it's 2372, so that's 1977 plus VAT. That secures your position within the team. That actually puts you in a position within the person who's sponsoring you's group. That gives you your personalized retail website, as I said, and all the back office. The back office has your reports, your invoices, absolutely everything, and it has got huge amount of resources. And I promise you, even though I've been in, kind of 18 months now, it's really, I probably still haven't looked at absolutely everything. So you need to go in and get to grips with that, learn how your back office works, because your back office is how you do your business. And just, learn how to sign up people, learn how to do it. There's a PDF which tells you how to do it, how to set up your wallet, how to set up this, how to set up that. They've thought of everything. Then you need to think about a package, the package that suits your requirements. And that's important, because if you've got a huge amount of people that you want to contact, and you've got a lot of contacts, perhaps you're very active on social media and you want to contact people that way, then perhaps the basic package, which is only going to activate you as a distributor, is probably not for you. It all depends how serious you want to be and how quickly you want to start earning. The Supreme package will actually qualify you for 60 days as a Pearl, which is the second level up. And then an Ambassador package, which is more products and a better value products as well, will qualify you as a Sapphire for 180 days. That's 6 months. So if you've got a great list of people, or maybe you've been in network marketing before and have got a group that you want to bring with you, then maybe that's the package for you. It was for us, for sure. That's what we did. We felt that this was the best place to be, the Ambassador package. Ambassador for us was the most effective option, and the reason being it gave us more product selection, so we had to use and share, because using is part of learning about how the products work. It also gave us the best option price-wise, because it reduces the cost of each individual product. But more importantly, it meant that we were paid as a Sapphire level, which is 3 levels up, and you get paid those 3 levels down for 180 days. So it's going to give you more earnings as you develop your business. If you're going to sit and look at it in the box, then it's not going to work for you. But it's just finding out which one suits you. There are other packages available as well, and if you have any queries about them, we'll happily help you understand why that they would be beneficial for you. So this is almost it. It's about getting registered. If you've not registered already and you'd like to get registered, go back to the person who invited you. I'm sure they gave you their registration link, and get yourself registered. Select a package that suits your needs, and again, if you need help with that, we're more than happy to do so. And I'm sure that the person who invited you onto the call tonight will know our details, and so will get in touch with us if need be. And you also need to then choose who you'd like to go and partner with as soon as possible, and then work with your sponsor to become an executive in the next few days. And I promise you, it can be easily done within a couple of hours, depending on how you go about contacting them. Don't do it by yourself. Use your upline to help you do that, because we are the impeachable third party, if you like. So unimpeachable, Nigel's just said, my apologies. And then all you need to do is go and do it again and again and again, and as soon as you start getting the hang of it, then you're going to become the leader that you've always wanted to be, I'm sure. If we can help in any way, we will. And I'm just going to stop sharing my screen, so bear with me so you can see me again. Hopefully, hi, me again. So hopefully that's been of interest to you. If we can help in any way, we run these on Mondays at 8 o'clock UK time, 9 in the EU, 12 in Las Vegas, because you've got people coming in from Las Vegas. We've also got someone in Bulgaria now, so that's 10 o'clock their time. It's you'll get information. So please invite people onto this, and we'll happily talk to anyone that you want us to talk to. So it's hopefully you've enjoyed this tonight. Nigel apologises for his coughing and spluttering. As I said, getting over his virus at the moment, which we're very rarely ill, thank goodness. And we look forward to speaking to you. Nigel's going to be doing a webinar on opening. I think you said Wednesday. On Wednesday. So we'll set that up probably tomorrow morning, and we'll get that out to people. It's about connecting with people in the right way, and even though some people stagger to success sometimes, it's just trying to make the opportunity of every single connection that you make, whether they like the business or whether they don't want to do the business, but I'm sure the products are for them. But Nigel's going to go through that, so hopefully you'll find that really interesting and useful as well within your business. So we look forward to seeing you at next event. Our next big event is in Rome, so really excited about that. I'm coming back to the UK on the 5th. I will be around Southampton area and also in Essex between then. So if you need my details, please just get in touch. You can do that by email. Or message in the sidebar, and we can get you in touch with us. We're also having a meeting in Brentwood on the 19th of April at 7:30 on the 19th at the Mary Green Manor in Brentwood, and I will post up on the webinar, on the next webinar, the details of that, so you can actually get hold of that. But we look forward to meeting you very soon. Thank you very much for your time and attention tonight, and look forward to speaking to you soon. Take care. Bye.